Hello students, today my topic is decomposition reaction. Those reaction in which single chemical substance break down to give two or more simpler substance are called decomposition reaction. Means they decompose in two or more. So it is of three kinds. First is thermal decomposition, second is electrolytic decomposition, third is photo decomposition. Now come to first one. Thermal decomposition reaction is the reaction by which they dissociate or they decompose by the absorption of heat. When they absorb the heat, they decompose. For example, decomposition of FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate. Take FeSO4 crystal in a test tube and heat it in a burner. On a burner, then we absorb green ferrous sulfate crystal, lose water to form ferrous sulfate, which is colorless. Now this green crystal becomes colorless after removal of water molecule. For example, this FeSO4 combined with 7 molecule of water, then it has green in it has green color. When it heat, the reaction continue, and when it heat, then it dissociate into FeSO4 and 7 molecule of water. On further heating, it is composed to give reddish brown color residue of ferric oxide. Further heating gives ferric oxide. This is ferric oxide, which is reddish brown in color, and SO2, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide. Now decomposition of lead nitrate. Another reaction is lead nitrate, that is PbNO3 whole twice. So when powder lead nitrate is heated, the brown fumes emit out. When it heated, then brown fumes emit out. It is NO2 yellow residue. NO2 gives yellow residue of PbO left behind. So this is the decomposition reaction. When it gets heat, it just break into 3 or 2 molecules. It is known as decomposition reaction. Now come to electrolytic decomposition. Decomposition takes place when electric current is passed through the compound in the molten or aqueous solution. For example, if the water is get electrolyzed, then it just break into 2H2 and O2. This is the electrolysis process, in which two rod has to be taken. One is cathode, one is anode. Cathode is negative and anode is positive. When we just apply the electric current to it, then in the test tube, hydrogen is in the ratio of hydrogen is 2 and the ratio of oxygen is 1. So that the molecule is H2O. So here we have twice the space as compared to oxygen. So this experiment show that water molecule has ratio 2:1. Now photo decomposition reaction, that is known that is also known as photolysis. Now decomposition reaction take place on the absorption of light. For example, this is silver chloride or silver bromide. If it is silver chloride, then it has white in color, and if it is silver bromide, then it is yellow in color. On absorption of sunlight, it break into 2 parts, that is silver, that is gray, and chlorine. Or if there is silver bromide, then it is break into Ag and bromide. So this reaction is used in black and white photography, as photographic film is coated with these salt. These salts are used as photographic plate. Now next reaction is displacement reaction. First you just see this activity series. In this activity series, all the elements which are red in color is highly reactive metal, never found in free state, because they are reactive. They react with another atom. So they are never found in free state. Which is in the orange color, they are moderately reactive. That means they react, but their reactivity is not so fast. So they are also found in combined state. But below hydrogen, that is blue, their reactivity is low. So those reaction in which more active element displace a less active element. This is more active element and these are the less active element as compared to upper one. So more active element displace the less active element from its compound. For example, iron come here, and copper sulfate, copper come here. So it is more active than copper. So it displaces copper from the copper sulfate solution. Again, zinc is present here and H2 is present here. So zinc displaces H2 from the acid. See, H2SO4 when react with zinc, it displaces H2 and they form zinc sulfate. So my question is for today, what is decomposition reaction? Mention all its three kinds. What is displacement reaction? Thank you.